treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches away.
Check 1 2. Do you guys read me? How's my mic? Check 1 2. This is an emergency alert. Emergency alert. Do you read me? Let's go.
Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill.
Guys, go please retweet, repost my tweet on X about going live. It needs to get out to more people. Please go like it, repost it. We're going to be live here in 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming.
Who's ready? Who's ready to pop champagne? Who's ready to pop champagne with me today?
Join the party night and day.
Let's go.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's get it.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who wants it all? Guys, smash that like button. Smash it, smash it, smash it. We need this stream to go out as widely as possible. We're about to see history.
Get your claws up, don't delay.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
Join the party night and day.
Let's go.
And silver is the key.
Let's go.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's get it. Thank you, Jason's Hub. Congratulations, Samantha. You got a free membership.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand.
Come on.
The crew, the shell
1 minute warning.
just found.
Channel members, are we going to the moon? Drop those emojis in chat. 2 likes away from 100. This is an emergency transmission. Come on. Let's go.
And silver is the key.
Yes.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the name is International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Guys, we are only 9 subscribers away from 55,000. We'll do the big show, but here's the big news right now. Silver came up and nearly kissed the all-time high on the COMEX, and it is coiling here on silver to go higher. It is coiling here on gold to go higher. Both should be challenging the all-time here shortly. But look at this. All-time high Shanghai. All-time high Shanghai, $106.72. Let me do this right. Hold up. Let me do this right. Google Translate. Hold a second here. Hold a second here. Hold a second here. Let me bring it up. Chinese simplified. Okay, hold up. Okay, I need to do this right. Let's see.
历史最高点，
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 历史最高点，历史最高点, all-time high, $106.72 in Shanghai, and silver is coiling here, which if we can break out here above this all-time high, we are going to probably push to 96 here pretty quick. The sky's the limit, guys. Is today the day? Is today the day we pop the champagne for $100 silver? Let me know what you guys think. It very well might be the champagne day. And shout out to Jason's Hub, excuse me, for the memberships. Congratulations to BA, Kyle, Mike, D22, and Raging Gamer. You just got free channel memberships from Jason S Hub. Make sure you say thank you to Jason F. Jason S Hub, thank you so much. Guys, we got 49 likes until 200. Keep liking the stream. We need the stream to get out to as many people as possible. 95.69 on futures. Wow, guys, get ready here. Get ready here. Okay, I need to change this song. I need a song that's gonna hype me up. That is not gonna do it. That is not gonna do it. Okay, that's a good song. That's a good song. Like it. So we're coiling here on silver. Gold, we're just a handful of dollars away from the all-time high on gold. Again, silver kissed it. I thought it was going through right before I went live. It didn't, but it kissed it, and we're coiling here to go higher. But the story of the day, Shanghai just traded at an all-time high, $106.72, and it may even be going higher here yet. Is Shanghai going to break 110? Wow. Any sense to the timing of this move? I think the Chinese market here kind of going parabolic in the last couple of minutes is part of the move. I was thinking we might see an afternoon rally today, but it looks like it's starting a little bit early because it's about 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But look at this decisive run. Remember, they just smashed us down. Everyone again, it's the top of silver, it's collapsing, and then all of a sudden, oh, just get in, about to make another all-time high. We kissed it. We kissed it right here, but you know what, guys? I know what we can do right now to get this candle going for another new all-time high. The baby gator call.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
That was a massive lizard, and it looks like it's working. Scientists say it works 90% of the time. The baby gator call. For everyone joining, the name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Only 6 more subscribers till the big show. 55,000 subscribers. And I'm releasing the mega giveaway video tomorrow. I'm giving away over 20 ounces of silver, some gold, some copper. So be on the lookout for that. I was almost halfway through editing it when silver started running. I'm like, oh man, I need to go live. So I put the editing on hold, so that video will be coming tomorrow. But again, another alert. While we were all going about our day, silver in Shanghai made an all-new high of 106.72. Silver on the COMEX kissed the all-time high, about $95.89. And we're coiling here to go higher on silver. And gold is looking pretty strong as well. And Jason S Hub celebrating big today, making it rain on the God Goblin. Just gifted another channel membership. Congratulations to Daniel Haggerty. Make sure you say thank you to Jason's Hub. I keep saying Jason FS Hub. Jason's Hub. There we go. Wow, guys, this is an insane day. If we blow through this yellow line here, we're going to move it very quickly over $96 an ounce for the first time nominally ever. Now, what do I mean when I say nominally? Remember back in 1980, if you correct for that all-time high for inflation of $50, it's over 208 of today's dollars. So we're building here. The baby gator call seems to have been working. Buckle up, guys. Buckle up. Put on your seatbelts. You don't need your shoulder harnesses yet, but put on your seatbelts. It looks like we're about to make another all-time high here in Shanghai, which is huge. Again, it just hit 106.72 for the first time ever. Are we going to break 110 today in Shanghai? Who's ready? Who's excited? Guys, we are 5 subscribers away from the next big show at 55,000 subscribers. We've never been so close. They said we were crazy. They said silver would never pass $20 again. They called me a silver pumper. They said it would never pass 30, 40, 50. Then we had the pullback from 50. They said it's done, it's over, it's out. That's the top of silver. You'll never be over 50 again. We passed back and we went to 60. We went to 70. We went to 80. We went to 90. And now, ladies and gentlemen, live on this 22nd day of January 2026, we're about to break $96 an ounce live for the first time ever nominally. And ladies and gentlemen, will this be the day that we pop this champagne together? We've been waiting for this. $100 an ounce silver. Are we going to reach it there on the COMEX? Because guess what? We already reached it in Shanghai. It's trading at 106.50 right now. As we're pushing higher, get ready. Get ready. We're breaking out of this trend line formation here. Get ready. We are just mere cents away from the all-time high. And if we break that yellow line, I believe we're going to move decisively through 96. Not a financial advisor, just some guy on the internet with crabs. Yes, we're live. We are definitely live. And guys, we only need 76 more likes to 300. Please, please smash the like. Please share the stream. We need this to get out to as many people as possible. There's going to be people who have no idea about gold and silver. They're going to see this stream. They're going to wake up, become stackers, and protect themselves and their families. So please share the stream. Please like the stream. We are just cents away from an all-time high in silver. We are just what is this? Let me see here. 888. We're just $10 away from an all-time high in gold, which you could sneeze and do $10. And again, Shanghai, we made an all-new high of 106.72. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. And I don't know if anyone's covering this yet on X. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go here. Hey, and Jolene, thank you for the $1.99 super chat. Channel member saying silver heist at Duisburg Museum last night. Whoa! Let me look that up. Thank you for that report. You guys, if you have breaking news, make sure you share it with me. Email it to me. And I'm finding it now. Hold up 1 second. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And guys, it's only going to get worse. This is Dutch news. Entire collection stolen from Duisburg Silver Museum overnight. Whoa. 4:30 a.m. 2 men forced their way in. Smashed through the door. How much did they take? Tens of thousands of euros, 300 pieces. Wow. There's going to be a lot more of that going on, guys. Get ready. We're about to take out the all-time high here on the COMEX. We just did it in Shanghai. Gold's getting coiled to do it as well. We are getting close here. And we're just 3 subscribers away from 55,000. Guys, please subscribe for the love of God. For the love of God. And we are just 21 likes away from 300. I know we can do it. Woo. Look at Shanghai, guys. Still trading at 106.25. All-time high in Shanghai just happened of 106.72. And we are about to take... It's looking like we're about to take out this all-time high here in silver. and probably push to 96. Again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. Gold is coiling as well, too. We'll see what we could do here. Breaking news. Breaking news. I've got live footage from the COMEX. I'm piping it in. Oh, my gosh. Poor Mortimer. My voice reminds you of Martin Shkreli, a weak little weasel. Well, thank you for that. Thank you for that. And ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Channel members, you know what to do. If this says 55,000, it's time for the big show. 55,000. Thank you so much. Time for the big show.
Welcome to the fourth annual National Aerobic Championship, featuring regional finalists from all across the United States, competing for the title of America's Best Aerobic Athlete. Presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the four-time Crystal Light champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much, guys. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 1,800 videos of gold and silver adventures around the world. And right now, the adventure of the century is we're waiting for silver to break above 95.89 and head towards 86. Or 96, excuse me. We're waiting for gold to break above to an all-new high here. Once we take out 4,888, 4,900 is definitely on the table. And we just saw Shanghai make an all-time high of $106.72. Now, that is mega. And the Soul Keeper in chat saying, I finally received my free half gold back. Thanks. Awesome, Soul Keeper. Soul Keeper, what country are you in? I'm just curious. What country are you in that will help me answer other people's questions? Everyone received their gold back. I think there was 9 people left that had it. I'm working with them. Canada. Okay, good. I'm glad you got it up there. Glad you got it. Who's excited? Who is excited? We're 48 likes away from 400. I know we could do it. I'm going to ask you guys again. Is today the day that we are popping this champagne live when we hit $100 an ounce for silver? Let me know. Is today the day? Ooh, let's look. Let's look. 95.58. Alert. No, wait. It's we're exactly the same. 95.58. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same here. We're about to be in backwardation. Breaking news, International Stacker to visit Australia on all-time highs and ride kangaroos to celebrate. My next trip probably is going to be Australia. Is your math on the SGE? Here's my math. So this is the Shanghai Futures Exchange, not the gold exchange. And I can send this to you, but here's the script. This is a script that converts it from kilogram to troy pound and then puts it, or troy ounce, and puts it into US dollars. So it's a special script I had to put there to translate that. If you want it, who is asking me that? Jason's Hub, if you want it, just email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com and I can send you the ticker and that script if you would like. Easy peasy. What a wild time to be alive. Are you guys excited? 95.45. Hold up here. Okay, we're in backwardation. We are in backwardation. This is not a drill. Backwardation is when the silver futures price is cheaper than the current silver spot price. It signals the system is breaking down. Illiquidity in physical silver in the big bullion bank vaults. Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving sideways here. Some call it crab walking. Getting ready to push higher. Is this the day we break $100 an ounce? Let me know in chat. Put 100 if you think it is. And gold is pushing higher as well. We're about to take out our target with gold here of 4,881. And Fuzzy Balls with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, says, when the COMEX runs out of physical silver. And guys, remember, the COMEX is the exchange in the United States. It's based out of Chicago. And he's saying when it runs out of physical silver, then it's on like a Donkey Kong. And it's coming. I totally agree with you, Fuzzy Balls. And we are about to take out our next target here of 881.38 with gold. We're watching it with bated breath. And again, we made the all-time high of $106.72 on the Shanghai Futures Exchange. Wow. Whoa. You're right. I probably do need a clip of a crab walking for the when we move sideways. That would be good. Guys, 1,100 people on the stream, 383 likes. Please, please, please smash that like button. Get the stream out to more people. We got to wake more people up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I probably will need to put that champagne on ice here soon. Silver is getting, okay, this is Rashad, one of the technical analysts we love on this channel. Silver is getting ready to make another explosive move by breaking out of this ascending wedge. My next target for silver, give or take, is 125 an ounce. I assume silver is going to blast through 100 soon. This is not investment advice. Whoa. It's silver time, says or reposted by Silver Crusader. But silver, it's not too late. 300, 600 next year. Whoa. Gold Silver HQ saying options expiration week. Great earnings report ahead. Looks like miners suppression is ended. Okay, here we go here. COMEX silver deliveries report. 30 new silver delivery notices issued Wednesday. Total COMEX silver January delivery. Guys, this is a record. 8,561 contracts. That's over 42.8 million ounces of silver for delivery. This is highly abnormal for a January. We're not a delivery month. March is the big delivery month, but this is not even a delivery month, and we're setting records as live view of the silver price, says Peter Spina. 1 ounce, less than $1 from all-time highs, and we're less than that right now. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. What an explosive stream. We saw live the Shanghai Futures Exchange break $106.72. Silver is coiling. Gold is coiling. Everything is coiling. Are you excited? What a time to be alive. Put in chat what you think we're going to hit today. 96 if you think it's that. 97, 98, 99, 100, a trillion. Put in chat the number you think we're going to hit today. I'm curious what you guys think. And thank you for the $5 super chat, MX Cheetah, saying, how do you think the metals market will react when Japanese raises their interest rates later today? I think it will be bullish for metals because there's a lot of speculation that Japan, one of the biggest holders of U.S. bonds, essentially U.S. debt, is going to have to liquidate a lot of that to stay solvent. So generally, in that type of situation, it would be bullish for metals. You could at least see some like very short-term downward motion, but I would expect it, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet, to be bullish. Bought 60 Mercury dimes. That's mega, says David. Congratulations, David. I love Mercury dimes. So Ish in chat says 99. Oh boy says 98. Greg Shepard says 98. Bill Mitch says 101. Empty COMEX silver storage, says Fun Talkman. D-Mark says dumping to 50. Man, I wish it would dump to 50 and the premiums would actually go down to 50 because I would back the truck up and load. But even if silver crashed to 50, which like I do not see happening, but anything's possible. But even if it dumped to 50, you're going to have a hard time finding silver under 90, honestly. Honestly, I think we're there. Let's see here. The Silver Desert, 1,000. Woo, that would be a crazy day. If it goes to 1,000 today, that's probably signaling imminent. There, you probably have countries invading each other. AZ Coins say 95. Susie say 98. Designed by JVL channel member, thank you for the support, say 93. It's Maggie, say 97. I got one question for you guys. Who's got diamond claws? Shout out to all the diamond claws members on the channel. Really appreciate y'all. Guys, the champagne for $100 an ounce is getting in the way there, but do you have diamond claws in chat? Let us know. Diamond claws. You can have diamond hands too if you've not fully changed to your crustacean form. So we are crab walking here sideways, just cents and dollars away from all-time highs on silver and gold, taking a little bit of a breather. And remember, we did hit an all-time high here, Shanghai, when we went live of $106.72. Woo! And ladies and gentlemen, we are at 55,010 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means we're only 90 subscribers away from the next big show. And T-Cakes in chat says you need to clip the Pamplona bull run, tossing someone, a banker, to the side. I love it. I do need to clip that. And I need a clip of a crab walking. I've got this one for the COMEX.
I run.
The core bankers. Poor bankers. So let's see what we're at. 95.23, and Shanghai is 106.45. So we're like at $11 premium still between Shanghai and the COMEX. Whoa. Yeah, guys, someone saying SD bullion says it's higher. So the big bullion dealers always have a higher price than the actual spot price. It's always higher on all of them. It doesn't mean that's the actual spot price. I think they have that built in to protect themselves, honestly. So it's always going to run a little higher of actual spot, which is currently $95.19. Okay, going down here. Diamond Jaws for C-130 Hercules. Whoa. Warm champagne will give you a major headache. Yeah, if we start running here, Elder Joshua Hetrick, I will throw it in the chiller. It's out for delivery. Awesome, Philip East. I should get that today then. Thank you. Hopefully people in customs did not have sticky fingers. And guys, I'm giving away over 20 ounces of silver soon. Some gold, some copper. The Mega Ga is coming soon. Video's coming out tomorrow. Video's coming out tomorrow. And Philip East just sent me a letter in the mail with British circulated silver coins that I'm going to include in the giveaway. One of you is going to win it. So big thank you to Philip East. Make sure you say thank you to him in chat. And shout out to David Harrison. Just joined the Crustacean Nation as a channel member. Remember, channel members get access to the channel member only live streams in the war room. And what happens in the war room stays in the war room. Guys, should I go put this on ice real quick? If we have to pop this champagne, if we break 100 today, I might need to put that on ice. What do you guys think? Whoa. And Ish work in chat saying 98. Doing a little bit of a spam, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to put you in a little bit of a timeout. 5-minute timeout. But 98, we get you. We get you. 98. Okay, guys, we need the baby gator.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah.
90% of the time it works.
Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I was almost like Chubbs from Happy Gilmore. Shout out to JM Sparger, channel member. Thank you for the support, saying help me out. Buying 1 ounce of silver is 10 to 15 over spot with buyback 10 below. To me, that's $20 loss for every ounce. How should I be? Yeah, that's ridiculous. You should be able to buy silver at or near spot right now, JM. So call around to other coin shops. That is a ripoff. Look online. There's deals. Like, I'm sure if you went to SD Bullion right now, let's see. Like, look, they've got silver 1/2, $2.99 over spot right now. So, I mean, that's cheaper than the 10. So there's deals to be had. Call local coin shops around you and see their deals. But 10 over spot is ridiculous and a ripoff. Whoa. Congratulations to Cole. Cole just upgraded their membership to Diamond Claws. Who in chat has Diamond Claws? Shout out to all the Diamond Claw members of the Crustacean Nation. Appreciate all your support. Look at the lady behind him. She's like, excuse me. Diamond Claws. I bet she wrote a letter to the Fun Coin Show manager. The trick is you never sell your silver, so you never lose money. Whoa! Brian here with the wise advice. That belongs in a fortune cookie, honestly. Do not sell yourself. That'd be so funny if I got a fortune cookie that said do not sell your silver. International Stacker, what video was it again that you said you might contain a secret password? Big Green Stacker. There may be a secret password in a live stream a couple days ago. I don't remember which one it was, honestly. It was a couple days ago. There's a password in one of these. On future videos, guys, especially my long form videos, any video I post in the future besides the entry, there's probably going to be, in some of them, a hidden password that's going to give you guys an advantage in the Mega Ga. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Okay, we need to hold the line here. The bankers are pushing back, but we are literally centimeters away from all-time highs in silver and gold on the COMEX. Again, trading at 106.53 on Shanghai, and the all-time high was 106.72 just a little bit ago. Wow, what a wild time to be alive. Silver futures just ripped to 95.10. That was 56 minutes ago. We're way higher now. Wowza says smart silver stacker. Nostra House of Gold saying waking up in the middle of the night to check the silver price. I've done that, guys. If I like get up to go to the bathroom or something, it's like the middle of the night, I will look at my phone real quick and check the silver price. Silver has more than tripled in the past 12 months, says Silver Ape King. The rotation from crypto into gold and silver is accelerating. Don't get left behind. We see a lot. I'm seeing a lot of folks from crypto coming over. New to stacking. Did I do okay? I mean, it looks great, but how much did you pay, Gold Eagle? I would have to know how much you paid. And look, here's the decision they're facing from Aaron. People don't understand how the shorts fought to stay under 30. We are in price discovery mode. Congratulations, silver. Slam the price. Physical gets drained. Collapse warning, says Silver Trade. U.S. pending home sales unexpectedly plunged 9.3%. Woo! Let's go back here. Let's see what you guys are saying, and then we're going to go back to the charts. International Stacker buckling up for winter storm in Oklahoma. Batten down the hatches. Ensure safe harbor for any wild crabs. Okie Sooner, we wish you luck for the winter storm. Okay, we're going to go back here. We're going to go back to the chart. Big shout out to Jolly Lollipop. Thank you for the $2 super chat. How can it be 106 in Shanghai but 95 here? Please explain. Well, Mrs. International Stacker walked in. Mrs. International Stacker, we may be breaking $100 today. Can I hand this to you, and can you put it in our little fridge so it's on ice? Because if we break $100 an ounce, Mrs. International Stacker and I are going to be popping champagne with all y'all live. So we're going to put that bottle on ice right now, and I'm going to answer that question. Huh? That's great. Thank you. Okay. So how can it be 106 in Shanghai but 95 here? Yeah, sure, I can explain that. So traditionally, the markets in Shanghai run a little hotter than the United States. It's usually around 50%, or sorry, 50%, 50 cents historically, sometimes up to $1, but usually around there. But we're seeing such consumption in China right now. Remember, China is like one of the top manufacturers for items with silver, one of the top, like solar panels, etc., one of the top refiners. So right now we're seeing insatiable demand. Insatiable? Oh, I was on the camera still. We're seeing insatiable? We're seeing crazy demand for silver in China. That's just literally gobbling it up. So we're in a physical silver short squeeze currently. So these prices have disjointed, separated from the U.S. COMEX, and that's dangerous for the COMEX. That changes the paradigm shift of manipulation. I'll explain that in a second. But what we're seeing here is physical silver draining from the west to the east, and the east really driving this market. Again, we just made that all-time high of 106.72. And we are trading at 95.41. So that's a $10 to $11 premium. So entities now can take silver from the United States on boat or plane, go overseas and get a 10, 11, 9, 8, whatever dollar premium per ounce of silver. So traditionally, the COMEX would just slam this down and, okay, we're good, but we're not good, because the more they slam this down, the more physical silver is going to leave the west to the east. So they got their hands tied. Buckle up, Buttercup. Andreas, thank you so much for joining as a channel member. You just became a member of the Shell Brigade. Remember, channel members get access to the channel member only live streams in the War Room here on YouTube. And what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. I hope I answered your question. But that's a zoomed out view. As I take a bite of the sandwich that Mrs. International Stacker brought me, let's test it out. Oh yeah. It's on a bagel. It's delicious. Okay, we just hit our first target with gold. We just took out our first target with gold. We're going to set another target here, and then we're running for an all-time high. 1 second. 1 second. Man, it's hard. I'm just gonna pick a target. It's hard. It's so small. We are imminently about to challenge the all-time high here on gold. We're coiling here, crab walking, getting ready to challenge the all-time high in silver. Shanghai still trading just 22 cents under the all-time high of 106.72. Who's ready? And guys, we're just 70 likes away from 600. I know we can do it. And thank you so much. We're at 55,017 subscribers. That means we're only, what is that? 83 subscribers away from the next big show. Let's go. Every time you eat, it goes higher. You need to eat. Okay, I'm gonna do a baby gator and take another bite here.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Okay, get ready, guys. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Are you team green or team red in this candle? Let me know in chat. Mac's like, now I'm hungry. Are you team green or team red on this chat? Let me know. We got 2 minutes left in this trading session. And breaking news, live footage from the COMEX. Guys, they do not want it over 100. They do not want it over 100. They say at all costs, keep it below 100. Gold to silver ratio check. Thank you. Okay, let's bring it up. Let's bring it up. I usually have that up. I forgot it. I was like panicking to go live. Gold to silver ratio, which means how many ounces of silver it takes to equal 1 ounce of gold, is currently at 51.15. Super bullish. Let's go here. Let's go back to here. Let's watch gold here. And I'm going to gamble all my claws. See what I can do there. Wow. I just won 20K claws. Okay, let's refresh this. Breaking news says Gold Telegraph, the National Bank of Poland approved a plan to buy as much as 150 tons of gold. You guys, people are telling you gold's antiquated, it's at a top, it's gonna crash. Meanwhile, central banks are stacking it at 150 tons at a time. Silver's on the loose again, says David. Rashad saying junior silver miners up 4% on the day. Smart Silver Stacker saying, I've seen a few people asking, what do you do with silver now that it's up so much? A few thoughts. One, silver is very likely nowhere near a top. It just broke out of a 46-year cup and handle. Moves like this don't resolve in a few months. On a log scale, high triple digits aren't crazy, especially with the pace of currency creation and the Fed already drifting back towards quantitative easing, QE. That doesn't mean it goes straight up forever. Volatility is part of the process, but structurally, this looks like early innings, not the late. I do use paper silver to take profits, rebalance, and rotate into other income-producing assets when it makes sense. My core physical stack is different. I don't really treat it like it's a trade. It's insurance against a sovereign debt crisis. At some point, I may roll some into gold if the gold to silver ratio compresses enough. But that's risk management, not selling the top. Love that. Spot silver surges to $95 per ounce. Record high silver prices incoming today. They sure are. Let's come here. We're still looking pretty good here on silver. Gold is really just getting ready to push another all-time high here. It looks like Team Red took the last candle, but Team Green's on a tear right now. Shanghai Gold Exchange Futures Exchange continues to trade at $106.30 a troy ounce. Okay, let's see what we could do here. If we could break above this trend line decisively, we'll push right towards that all-time high as I take another bite of Mrs. International Stacker's famous sandwich. Buckle up. Buckle up. Okay, let's go back here for news. Okay, we'll go back up here. Thank you for subscribing. Wow, guys. We were at 55,021 subscribers. 79 subscribers away from the next big show, and I'm giving away over 20 ounces of silver, some gold and copper. The entry video is coming out tomorrow. You have to be entered, so subscribe so you can enter it and so you get the notification when the video comes out. Make sure your notifications are turned on. You're not going to want to miss this one. I assure you. Silver's busting loose, says Nostra. House of Gold. Look at this. COMEX gold deliveries report. 1,651 delivery notices on Wednesday. Wow. 1 million ounces of gold. Wow, that's huge, guys. Remember, a contract on the COMEX for silver is 5,000 ounces. For gold, it's 100 ounces. Crazy. Silver is on the move again, says FX Hedge. Gold held at the retest, says Rashad, and now headed higher. Very solid. The Shanghai Gold Vault is stacking. Shanghai Gold Vault hits all-time high, climbing 2 tons to reach a record 102, says Hugo. Shanghai Futures Exchange printed a fresh breakout, tagging 106. Guys, that is a record. We saw it here. Whoa. People in chat are talking about Viola.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is different. I met her in the Germanium Mint. That was a Germanium Mint video. If you want to see the whole video of the Germanium Mint, go to my channels, click videos latest. The second to last video I put out in Poland, right here. That's Viola. Here we go. Here we go. Man, it is wanting, look at okay, here we go. Here we go. Buckle up. This might be it. 10 cents away. Is this it? Guys, is this it? We need a baby gator.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go.
We need a baby gator.
How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa. What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive.
The baby gator. Here we go. Buckle up. We're kissing the all-time high. We're about to make an all-time high. Smash that like button. 12 away from 600. Ladies and gentlemen, we just kissed the all-time high of $95.89. If we break this yellow line decisively, I believe we're going to blow past 96 super quick here. Here we go. Come on. Come on. All-time high, all-time high, all-time high. All-time high. $95.95. $95.95. 5 cents away from 96. Gold's pushing as well. Gold is pushing as well. Woo! Get ready here. Come on. Come on. You know you wanna. That's the COMEX right now. Sorry, I got a mouthful of sandwich. I'm trying to eat lunch super quick. Wasn't planning to go live right now. Okay, breaking with gold. We just kissed the next target. We just kissed the next target here with gold. After that, we go for all new high on gold. Come on. Come on, I need to buy my kids some shoes. I got rats to feed cheese to. Let's break 96. 1,500 people on the stream as we see silver and gold pushing towards all new highs. All new high on the Shanghai Futures Exchange of $106.72 in China. What a wild time to be alive. Whoa! Shout out to Bee Collector Rick, literally making it rain on the Goblin.
Mega!
Just gifted 5 international stacker memberships. Congratulations to Jote Master, Sito, Anthony Zappin. If you don't know, hold it. And Coco Bear. You just got free international stacker memberships. Check out your new custom channel member only emojis, and I'll see you in the war room. And remember, what happens in the war room stays in the war room. It's channel member only live stream here on YouTube. And guys, we are about to go for an all new high again right now. Together, buckle up. We're about to hit it. Keep smashing that like button. Keep sharing the stream. And don't forget, I have a big giveaway and videos coming out tomorrow to enter. 20 ounces of silver, a bunch of gold and copper, so make sure you subscribe for that. Whew, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, let me get this reset for gold. Get this reset for gold. We keep kissing the next target. A decisive break about that. We go for an all new high in gold. We got positive crab walking going on here in Shanghai Futures Exchange. 106.55, just like 20 cents under all-time high. And silver wants to do it again here in the COMEX. Let's see what we can do here. And guys, we are at 55,030 subscribers. That means we're only 70 subscribers away from the next big show. If you haven't seen a big show, some people say you haven't lived. Come on. Come on. I'm going to try the baby gator. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm trying the baby gator. I just can't do it. Burton Vlogs tried to teach me. Here we go. Brand new green candle here. Looking positive. I haven't lived yet, says Iron Man Stacker. Well, we're going to see if we can get you a big show, Iron Man Stacker. We're just 70 subscribers away from that. Okay. Okay. Come on. It's kissing it. Come on. So close.
Yep.
What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
She's different. Ladies and gentlemen, she is different. I saw someone in chat say they needed Viola, so played that. Wow, thank you so much, Long Dog Face Pony Soldier. Just gifted International Stacker membership. That randomly went to Crypto Plumber. Enjoy your new custom channel member emoji. I'll see you in the war room next time we have a member only live stream here on YouTube. And what happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. You must be clothed at all times. Let's go here. Look at this. How it feels to be in the crustacean nation from KH. I love that. That's so funny. That is so funny. I love that. Okay, we go up here. I'm trying to find any breaking news for you guys as we're watching this action. So Craig Hemke saying 6,000 gold, 130 silver this year. Do you guys think that's possible? Put 130 in chat if you think $130 silver is possible this year. And we've got 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle. What do you guys think it's going to be? Red or green? If you're team green or team red, let me know in chat. Big shout out to Horace Lupercal. Gifted an International Stacker membership, and that went to Paul Mueller. Check out your new custom channel member only emojis, Paul. And I'll be seeing you in the war room. And guys, shout out again to all of our Diamond Claws channel members. I really appreciate y'all. Appreciate the support. Guys, anytime you become a member, anytime you super chat, anytime you gift a membership, it helps the channel immensely, helps me do what I do, traveling the world, bringing you all on gold and silver adventures and giving back to you. Gave away over 100 ounces of silver, some gold and copper back to you last year. This year, tomorrow, the video comes out to give away over 20 ounces of silver to y'all. But you can support the channel for free. You can like a stream, you can share a stream, leave a comment. All that stuff helps immensely. So I appreciate all the support. You're all mega. When do you think we'll hit 100? My revised targets by the end of the month. We'll hit 100. But if we can break decisive here and get a decent run, I mean, it could happen any day. We could wake up. If you're in the United States, we could wake up to $100 silver. So that's why I put in the title of this, like, is $100 near? Do we break it today? Right now, per Rick B in chat, silver's $132.31 Canadian right now for silver. Come on. Guys, the bankers are disgusted. They just dropped billions of paper ounces to crashes from 95 last time, and we're already back. Look here. Look here. Yesterday. Now, remember, we produce 835 million ounces a year through mining. We consume more than 1.2 billion. Yesterday, just yesterday, they traded 745 million ounces of fake silver, 1.16 billion the day before, 921 million here, 1.19 billion here, 1.26 billion here, 948, 861. It is getting harder and harder for them to manipulate the price. And big shout out to AG Delaney, the $2 super chat, and channel member saying third shifters, bloodshot eyes, and diamond claws. Love to hear that, AG Delaney. You are mega. Whoa, and FE Stacker upgraded their membership to Shell Brigade. That's what we're talking about. Do channel numbers have any kind of advantage when it comes to giveaways? Channel numbers? Do you mean channel members? Big Green Stacker? I'm not sure what you're asking. But I've got all the benefits of all the different channel member benefits on the membership page. You can go check it out. Sometimes I do special things for channel members to say thanks. I do. But that's nothing that's advertised. Nothing like any giveaway has to be no purchase necessary. YouTube not a sponsor. Void where prohibited. So I do special things for channel members sometimes and other people who are active on the channel. But it's nothing that I publicize or make a part of being a channel. There should be zero expectation for that type of stuff. But I do like to take care and give back to the community. You guys know that. 95.91 right now, silver futures. Okay, we're out of backwardation. And we're still trading at $106.53 equivalent on the Shanghai Futures Exchange in China. 20 cents away from another all-time high there. Let's see what we can do. How about the paper contracts on the alleged confidential report showing a deficit of 4,000 to 1 on silver holdings versus silver helped by London banks? Not sure what you're talking about, Craig. Sounds like it might be an Asian AI guy fake article you might be referring to. Is the LBMA short desperately on silver? Yes. Did they have a silver liquidity emergency in October? Yes. Do I think they're going to have one soon? Yes. Here we go. All-time high. Here we go. $96. $96. Yeah, guys, there's no requirement to win a giveaway on my channel. You have to be a channel member. Most of the people that win are not channel members. So, again, you can not be a channel member and have a great chance to win. All you got to do is enter. That's all you got to do. Continue at all times high in silver here. 96.08. What did I say? When it broke through that line, it was going to move pretty quick over 96. And we did it. So we'll go ahead and delete that one. Wow. Futures 95. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back in backwardation. Back in backwardation. That's when the silver futures price is cheaper than the spot price. And we are about to run even higher here. How high are we going? How high are we going? All-time high again. All-time high again. How high are we going? $96.10. Here we go. We're going up. We're going up. 96.13. You're seeing it live here first on International Stacker YouTube. Crustacean Nation uniting together. All-time high silver. Gold is coiling. Shanghai is coiling to go even higher. Whoa. Guys, if you won silver or gold from me in 2025, please put winner in chat. Capitalized. I want everyone to see. Korea gets silver above 95. You're right. You're dang right, Real Geared Up Survival. $96.13. Guys, look at all those winners in chat. Look at all those winners in chat. And many of them are not channel members. So just to dispel that right now, whoever was saying that, you do not have to be a channel member to win. Look at all those winners. That is mega. Mega. And I'm putting out the video tomorrow. There's going to be a lot more winners on this channel. Guys, these mega bags are coming to you. No matter who you are or where you are at in the world. I mean, some places it's void or prohibited by law. But if you're in Australia, if you're in New Zealand, North America, some parts of South America, all over Europe, you can enter my giveaways. And these have anywhere from 1 to 7 ounces of silver in them. They have ounces and ounces of copper and other treasures and artifacts. Who wants to win? You got to be subscribed. Who wants it? And guys, we are at 55,040 subscribers. Thank you so much. Only 60 more till the next big show. Woo! Let's go. 80 more likes till we're at 800. Keep smashing it. Keep sharing the stream. Here we go again. Here we go again. About to go for another all-time high. About to go for another all-time high. I need a pinger, says Jonathan Herbert. Well, I'm giving away 5 pocket pingers in this giveaway. And I've got some other tricks and surprises up my sleeves. Who knew a crustacean had sleeves? Gold's coiling here. Shanghai's about to go for another all-time high in Shanghai. Here we go. Oh, shoot, guys. I need to... Okay. Hold up. I need to get ready for the Asian market.
历史最高点，
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 历史最高点。I'm trying to get ready to say all-time high and try. 历史最高点，历史最高点，历史最高点。Ladies and gentlemen, we're blowing up in Shanghai. Another all-new high, $107.08. Oh my gosh! Smash that like button if you're excited. Oh my gosh. SPL, no, you don't have to comment to enter. The video's coming out tomorrow to tell you guys how to win. It will be very clear, but comment if you want to be part of the party. Li Shize Guardian, ladies and gentlemen, all new high of $107.08 on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, and we're down to 50.8 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. $5 super chat from Jason's Hub. All-time highs today, baby. 18 shy of 4,900 on gold. SGE is blowing up. Who's excited? Who's excited? Who learns Chinese today with me Li Shize Guadian, all-time high in simplified Chinese. Wow, we're about to push even higher in Shanghai Futures Exchange. Whoa. Whoa, and guys, we are 45 subscribers away from the next big show. I know we can do it. And a big thank you and welcome to Budgas. You just joined the Crustacean Nation as a Crab Cadet. Check out your new custom channel member emojis, and I'll be seeing you in the War Room. Member only live streams in the War Room here on YouTube. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. And breaking news, I've got live footage coming in right now from the COMEX. I'm piping it in. Poor old Mortimer having some chest pain for the 10,000th time this year. Okay, we're about to take out the next target on gold here. We are about to take out the next target on gold here. Wow. Li Shize Guadian. Am I pronouncing it right? Do I have any Chinese speakers in the chat? The champagne is cooling. We do have the champagne cooling. We will pop the champagne once we hit 100. Wow, 40 more subscribers till the next big show. Thank you so much, guys. Just finished a 12-hour shift, says B Mark, and they're not sleeping. How could you sleep in a time like this? Okay, gold's about to take out our next target here. After that, we're going to push for an all-time high here in gold. If we could just take out that next target here. Getting a little bit of downward pressure. We'll see what happens here. Li Shize Guadian, all new high on Shanghai Futures Exchange. All new high in Shanghai. Li Shize Guadian. $107.08. Whoa. And Uncle Tony's Garage is in the house saying, I'm trying to get some work done. This is not helping. Guys, shout out to Uncle Toys Garage. Check out his YouTube channel. Very mega. Whoa. And Glenn Smith upgraded their membership to Diamond Claws. Thank you so much. If you have Diamond Claws in chat, let me know, and shout out to all the Diamond Claws members. Who's got Diamond Claws? Who's got Diamond Claws? Diamond Claws. Yes. Woo. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wild trading day. We just made an all-time high in silver of $96.13. The bankers are definitely pushing back right now. But you might as well call me Twisted Sister, because we're not going to take it. Li Shize something should be the next emoji, says Conrad Bullion. Maybe, yeah. Maybe I'll do a Shanghai emoji. Okay. There we go. There we go. Shanghai's poised to push even higher. $107.08 in Shanghai. Wow. Someone said, oh my gosh, silver's crashing. Guys, you know what we need right now? To get the next leg higher, do you guys know what we need to do right now? To get that candle to turn green and stay green at 90% of the time, what do we need to do? Let me know. And big shout out to Rear Gilded Up Survival sharing Uncle Tony's YouTube. Check him out. You guys demand it. We're going to do it. The baby gator call.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Now remember, some scientists say that 90% of the time after a baby gator call, the candle will stay and turn green and shoot higher. That video was shot just a couple of weeks ago in Boca Raton, and boy, did the baby gator call get some publicity on the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, we're just 32 subscribers away from the next big show. Thank you so much. And again, I'm doing a big giveaway soon over, yeah, it's science. It's science. I'm doing a big giveaway soon over 20 ounces of silver. You got to be subscribed for that, so you might as well just subscribe, turn on those notifications. As we're coiling here to take out another all-new high on silver, it's looking very strong. Gold's flirting with it. Gold wants to do it. If we could take out this target, we're going to move quickly to all-new high in gold. And Shanghai Futures Exchange topped out at $107.08, but I don't think it's done yet. So for subscribe, we don't have to do anything else. No, I'm doing the entry video tomorrow. So tomorrow the entry video will come out and it will tell you what you have to do to enter. It's easy. It's clear. It's streamlined. I try to make it as easy as possible. So you will have to enter on the enter giveaway, the announcement video. That's coming tomorrow. So make sure those notifications are on. I was editing it before Silver went on a rampage trying to get it done. So I'll have to edit it again after I'm done here. Okay. Take a breath. IS, remember to breathe. We're down to 50.81 silver ounces to 1 ounce of gold. Okay, let's go here. Taking a breath. Oh, look at this. International Stacker, let's go from Titanium Computing. The bankers are freaking out. The poor bankers are having a rough day today. All-time high, let's go. Crustaceans. Let's go. Thank you, Rye. International Stacker, check out the new 2026 British Lion American Silver Eagle coin. That's cool. Is that real or is that AI? That could not even be a real coin. Look at this. Do you guys feel like this? KH, how it feels to be in the crustacean nation. Do you guys feel like that right now? Let me know. Okay, here we go. Okay, it looks like we're taking a little breather here on silver and gold. Guys, I was not planning this live stream. I've got to pee like a racehorse. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to raptor run it across the house. I've got a system in place where I could be back in under a minute and still wash my hands. I'm telling you, it's science. I've tested it. So I need somebody to get the stopwatch ready. I'm going to raptor run. I will be back in 1 minute or less. I'm going to put it back on the silver chart for you guys to watch. 1 minute or less. I need someone to time. And I'm going in 3, 2, 1. I'm back. What's my time? I'm back. What's my time? What's my time? What's my time? What's my time? I'm back. What's my time? I washed my hands. I sang happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I sang happy birthday. It's legal. 59.5 seconds. Wow. That might be I cut it close on that one. Wow. I washed with soap. I can smell vanilla on my hands as we speak. Okay, silver futures, 96.18. Wow. Okay, breaking news. Silver futures is now higher than the all-time high. Silver futures of 96.18 is now more than the all-time high of 96.13. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Things may get explosive. Maybe I should use a different term after coming out of the bathroom. I don't know. I'll leave that up to you. And look at Fozzie the Bear. Silver Santa does this every time we pass a new dollar mark. His ears wiggle. Good morning, Silverbug Stackers and Numisticists. I hope you enjoy our path to 96 today. We're there, Social Rider. Peter Schiff, it looks like real money just started moving into precious metals mining stock. It's about time. I expect the pace of price appreciation to accelerate rapidly from here. Despite tripling or more, these stocks are still the most undervalued in the market. The magnificent miners. Love it. Silver blasts through major resistance after years of compression. Breakout from long consolidation fuels a sharp vertical rally. Rashad saying on a 1.2% rally in silver, junior miners. Okay, talking about miners. Okay, let's go back to here. I own some Pan American. I do have some miners. I own some Pan American. Come on, refresher. What are we doing? Okay, we're crab walking right now, silver and gold. Man, gold wants to, but Shanghai, we're about to break out again. Okay, hold up. I gotta remember.
历史最高点，
Li Shi Zhe Guadian.
历史最高点，
Li Shui. How would you guys rate my pronunciation on a scale of 1 to 10?
历史最高点，
Li Shi Zhe Guadian.
历史最高点。
Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I mean, it technically crossed, but I'm going to wait here. I think it's going to do it again decisively. We'll freak out here in a minute. Come on. Evidently, my pronunciation sucks. I'm getting ratings of 3 and negative 100. 4 at best. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. We are now all-time high in Shanghai Futures Exchange. 107.17. As a half Singaporean, not too bad, says the Mando Dad. Thank you. Yep, all-time high, Shanghai, 107.17. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. And we're moving sideways, crab roll, walking and consolidating with silver and gold. Guys, gold is poised for an all-time high. We've seen an all-time high silver COMEX up to 96.13. We've seen an all-time high silver on the Shanghai Futures Exchange of 107.17. All that's left for the hat trick, for the trifecta, is gold on the Shanghai, or gold on the COMEX. And we're getting close to that. We're going to keep watching it here. Okay, Florida Man Racer said, let me help. It's Li Shui Zhe Guadian. Li Shui Zhe Guadian. Li Shui Zhe Guadian. Is that better? Li Shui Zhe Guadian. I think I'm close. I think I'm really close. And guys, thank you so much. We're at 55,074 subscribers. 26 more until the next big show. Some say if you haven't seen the big show, you haven't lived. Others say it scarred him for life. Others say it gave him nightmares for months. I'll leave it to you. Are we practicing for bricks? Maybe, hey, Tony Phoenix. I mean, I just wanted to be able to yell in Chinese all-time high. Whoa. Guys, Pat JMD is saying we're going to be to 75,000 subscribers by April Fool's Day. Do you guys think we could hit 75,000 subscribers by then? What do you think? Do you think we get it? Try to clap out the syllables as you say them. It's hard to. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. I think that's it. I feel better about that. I clapped it out. I think it worked. Okay. We're ready. We're ready for another all-time high in Shanghai. 5-syllable word. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready for the test. All my teachers in chat. Next time I yell it out in Chinese, simplified, you let me know if it sounds like all-time high. Do a crab clap. Whoa. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. Li Shi Zhe Guadian. I think it's I think I got it. What do you guys think? Man, we are looking good here. We're coiling on silver, just waiting for the break on gold. Shanghai's about to Li Shi Zhe Guadian again. Wow. Let's go back here. Okay, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. Okay. See the new news here. What's going on? Crypto bros watching gold and silver making new all-time high while Bitcoin is selling off again. That's funny. The inner silver bug in me wishes we still had $30 an ounce. Guys, how many of you still wish we had $30 an ounce? Put 30 in chat. I wish I had more time. I'm happy this time is here, but I wish I had more time. What do you guys think? More than 3x in value. I'm not sure the premiums also rise. Oh, I am sure the premiums also rising. Since last VRIC, these turned out to be great bargains in my son's silver savings. Yeah. You're great for falling asleep. Wait, you're great for falling asleep on me. I've already fallen asleep 5 times listening to you. Nice! Nice, Rado. I put on sometimes the YouTube videos to fall asleep too. I'm glad I could be there for you. You're like sleeping nice and calm, and all of a sudden you like wake up like, all time high. Silverbug's looking back through some of their old purchase receipts. That's funny. That's funny. Guys, what's the cheapest you ever bought silver at? My cheapest, I think, was like $13 and like 60 cents or 40 cents an ounce. What's the cheapest you ever paid for an ounce of silver? Put that in chat. Silver futures are back down to 95.85. So we're back in backwardation. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back in backwardation where silver futures is cheaper than the current spot price. And wow, we have some legends in the chat, guys. Someone got it at 14. That was JD's in the lead so far at 14. Whoa. Lee Bear channel member got it at 6. Oh my gosh. Joe Ina got it at 8. Legends. My buddy Master. Ooh, look at Ersterhern got it at 6. My buddy Master Stacker, who's been on the channel several times, got it at 4. Here we go. All-time high gold. All-time high gold. We were playing around. All-time high gold. Guys, we're going for 4,900 gold. All-time high. Buckle up. Buckle up. Shanghai is under attack. But we just made an all-time high in gold, $4,892.04. I am so glad on my I recently got a what are they called? A crown, and I chose gold, and it seemed expensive at the time. Pretty soon I'm going to have to pry these crowns out of my mouth and sell them on the secondary market. Wow. Are we going to push to 49 right now? We could. I don't like this little sell-off. If this was not selling off here, I think we would be. Although that's silver. I'm sure the gold chart in Shanghai looks similar. Come on! Just give us 49 and we'll call it a day. And guys, we are at 55,076 subscribers. Thank you so much. 24 more subscribers till the next big show. And guys, you got to be subscribed to win my big giveaway. Video is dropping tomorrow that tells you how to enter it. So turn on the notifications and subscribe for that. And we're 51 likes away from 900. I know we can do it. You're right. Rich, you're right. We need a baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
It was a giant lizard. And some scientists say that 90% of the time after that video is played, we get a green candle. We've got 4 minutes and 10 seconds left on this candle. Let me know in chat, what is it going to be? Are you team red or team green? Let me know in chat. And then Andrew Todd, channel member, saying, don't forget, you can get silver under five an ounce if you coin roll hunt $50. Yeah, 100%. Coin roll hunting is like, I love it. I found a lot of silver that way. And it's getting way more profitable. I'm team green on this one. I'm team green too as well. We got a lot of greens in chat. You can be team red without being anti-silver. It's okay. It just means you think that candle's going to be red. It doesn't mean you're anti-silver, so you can be team red if you want. I'm going to be team green in solidarity here. Let's go back over here. Whoa. Oh, this is a silver song someone made, but I can't play it on stream. Don't want to get a copyright strike. That would not be fun. Silver soars to record high over 96 from silver trade. Bankers right now, says Nostra House of Gold. Definitely. Breaking, says Steve Hankey. Silver hits all new high. 95.88. No, my friend. The all new high was 96.13. 96.13. Silver futures 95.79. Still in backwardation, looks like. Shanghai Futures Exchange trading at $106.65. We recently made the all-time high there of $107.17. Yeah, APMEX, again, the big bullion sites, guys, are always going to show more. So look, it's showing 96.55 silver, 49.06 gold. They always show higher than the spot price is. I don't know the real reason behind it. I think it's maybe to protect themselves. I don't know, but they always show higher. So like 49.06 and the actual all new high. All new high. Guys, are we going for 4,900? $4,893.59. Guys, we're going even higher. We're going even higher. We're going even higher. Okay. $4,894.16. Smash that like if you think we're going to 4,900 right now. Guys, we look away for 1 second. Come on. Who's dancing? And we're 19 subscribers away from the next big show. Thank you so much. But wait, they told me it would crash, says the real Geared Up Survival. They said it was going to crash. They said silver and gold were things of the past. But as all the public figures and big media told us that, we were doing something in secret with the big bullion banks, what the big central banks around the world were doing. We were secretly, like little crustaceans, acquiring shiny things, gold and silver. People said it was dumb. People said it was antiquated. And boy, now are their faces red. And I'm not talking crustacean red. I'm talking embarrassment red. As we get ready to push another all-time high here in gold, 4,900 is in play. And with silver, we are coiling here again for another all-time high. 96.50, ladies and gentlemen, is in play here. Let's see what we could do here. Okay, I need you to go one more. There we go. Okay, there we go. Sometimes these things do not quite. Okay, there we go. Sometimes they just don't. Oh, and it's all crooked. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm definitely not an artist. Like, I draw stick figures, okay? Still a little crooked, but we'll roll with that. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is out of control. This is out of control. Mortimer, no, says Eric J. Athens. That gets a retweet. Guys, make sure you're following me on X, previously known as Twitter. I'm Intl-Stacker, international when it fit. Make sure you're following me on there for updated news, information. What a wild, wild time to be alive. Everything I've been screaming about for 9+ years on this channel is coming to fruition. RIP for the people who didn't listen. I know many of them. They're regretting it now. Let's go. And I'm getting a call. My dad's calling me. I'm gonna have to text him. Probably calling me to say it's going high. Live streaming now. My dad's not active at all at YouTube, but he'll call me or text me when he sees it like running higher. So he's just calling me. Shout out to Papa IS. And guys, we're at 48.90, 61, about to challenge the all-time high of $4,894.16 we just set, and we're going to be pushing towards 49 hundo. And we're at $95.91 silver COMEX. All-time high, 96.13. We take that out. 96.50 is in play, this green line right here. Okay, let's see what we can do here. See what we can do here. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting messages everywhere. People are freaking out. I just went out to get my dinner, says Owen. What the hell happened? I wasn't expecting you to come back live until later. Well, Owen, we started shooting the moon. We made all new high of $96.13 silver COMEX. We made an all new high of gold on the COMEX, 4,894.16. We're about to break out again. We made an all new Li Shi Zhe Guadian on the Shanghai Futures Exchange of $107.17. Gold is getting ready here to push another all-time high. Buckle up. Buckle up. Can we ever meet Senior IS? Probably not. Probably not. Channel members, are we going to the moon? Drop that channel member only emoji if you think we're going to the moon, channel members. Oh, and let's see what we're at here. 55,083 subscribers. Thank you so much. 17 more till the next big show. Guys, we are just millimeters away here from another all-time high in gold. It's like gold and silver are taking turns. Here we go on silver. Here we go on silver. If we break above this blue line decisively, here we go. Come on. Here we go. Uncle Nelly just gifted 5 International Stacker memberships. Thank you so much. All-time high. All-time high in silver. 96.15. Congratulations to Buddy Time, to Pat JMD, to Lewis Brown, to Peckham, and to Hot Film. Say thank you to Uncle Nelly. You just got a free membership, all-time highs. $96.15 on silver. Let's check gold, all-time high gold. All-time high gold. $4,896. We're going for 49 on gold. We're going for 96.50 on silver. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We're only 90 likes away from 1,000. Smash the like, share the stream. This 22nd day of January 2026, people are going to say, do you remember where you were at? And you're going to say, yeah, chilling with the Crustacean Nation, making another all-time high. 4,897 gold. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, crustaceans of all types. Gold to silver ratio is down to 50.95 to 1. Man, this is wild. I was not expecting to be live right now. I was editing the giveaway video. I'm giving away over 20 ounces of silver, some gold and some copper. So you got to be subscribed for that. The video is coming out tomorrow. So for the love of God, turn on the notifications. You don't want to miss that. The video will tell you how to enter. I just got to finish editing it. But silver started running, so I had to stop editing it. We just made an all-new high in silver of $96.15. All-new high in gold of $4,897.44. 4,900 is the next target for gold. Next target for silver we're going is $96.50. As we continue to trade on the Shanghai Futures Exchange at $106.79. All-time high there, Li Shi Zhe Guadian of $107.17. Woo! Someone in chat saying, hallelujah! And I have the champagne on ice, guys. When we break $100 an ounce, whenever that is, I've got champagne on ice. Mrs. IS and I are going to pop champagne with all of y'all. So if you drink alcohol, make sure you have champagne ready. If you don't drink, make sure you have a beverage ready. Like Dr. Pepper's great. Root beer float would be fantastic. Maybe a cup of Mrs. International Stacker coffee. I don't know. But whenever that happens, we're going to be popping champagne live on the channel. Myself and Mrs. IS. And hopefully you guys are with us too. Let's go. It could be today. It could be tomorrow. It could come like a thief in the night. We could wake up to it. I really hope it doesn't happen overnight because it's going to be really difficult to pop champagne with y'all at like 6:45 a.m. Could you? I'll do it, but it's going to be a difficult one. Okay, coming over here. Coming over here. Okay, coming over here. Check that. Okay, we'll go over here. Got to see the breaking news. The COMEX tried to throw us out at $90 silver and then 92 back. That's even outdated now. Breaking. Gold and silver on the COMEX and in Shanghai. I'll fix it. Continue to make all new highs. This is wild. Watch it with me live on. I'll fix it. YouTube right now. I'll fix it. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, got that. And then I gotta come here to the stream. One second. Gotta get that. I got that. Guys, please go like, retweet this. Appreciate it. Bang. Look at that silver monster on the thumbnail. I thought that was a good thumbnail. Okay, we're coiling here. We just kissed the all-time high on silver. Let's check futures. $95.96. Wow, guys, we are big time in backwardation here. Well, not big time. By about 6 cents, we're in backwardation again. That's when the silver futures price is cheaper than the spot price. That signals instability in the market. Okay, Shanghai is coiling here to go even higher. Shanghai may be making an all-new high, or as we say in Chinese, Li Shi Zai Guadian. It may be doing that soon. No, I don't speak Chinese. I learned that on the live stream live with you guys the other day when Shanghai was just really busting loose. I thought, we're talking about Shanghai. Might as well try to speak the local language. And I've got a gift for languages. I speak Arabic. I speak some Spanish. I speak a little bit of a lot of languages. It's just kind of easy for me to pick up eventually. But Chinese is a difficult one. The intonations, the pronunciations. And guys, we're at 55,089 subscribers. 11 more subscribers till the next big show. If that isn't mega, I don't know what is. Whoa! 2-0 in chat actually speaks silver. I know how to speak silver. Here we go. This is how you speak silver. You hear that? Did you hear that? That's how you speak silver. Right here, Sound Money Metals, guys. He's a subscriber to the channel. This is the pocket pinger. It tells you if a coin is real or fake. It uses science. It comes with a free phone application that looks at the frequencies and tells you if your gold or silver coin is fake or real. Obviously, you wouldn't want to ping a numismatic coin, but bullion or any other is fine. Link is in the description below. It's like $39, cheapest you'll find on the internet. And if you buy through that link, it helps support the channel, so thank you for that as well. But everyone needs that. The higher gold and silver goes, the more fakes that are going to come around. I get fakes sent to me all the time by you guys. This is a fake Morgan that got sent to me by a viewer. Come on, focus. Unfortunately, they got scammed. But the fakes are getting so good. I even have some fake 90% that's coming out with wear marks. Like, it's crazy how good the fakes are getting. So protect yourself today. Get a pocket pinger. And we're 9 subscribers away from the next big show. Can you ding it on screen? Yeah, I can. You won't be able to hear it. So here's what it sounds like. Hear that? The resignation. That's what it sounds like. And here's what it looks like when you ping it. And it's going to be awkward for me to do this because I have to like straddle the camera. It's going to look like this. Just like that. Just like that. I don't think you guys could hear that. By the way, shout out to all the Diamond Claw members. Really appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the support on the channel. Who's got diamond claws? Who's got them?
Diamond claws.
Who's got them? I got 2 fakes at fun. Whoa, Silver Stallion. Silver Stallion, please email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I'd love to ask you about it. Maybe it could be a video. I don't know. Email me. I'd like to find out about that. All-time high just missed in silver. $96.16. We just pushed the all-time high there. Oh, ping a fake? Sure, I could ping a fake. Hold up. Okay. So I'm going to ping that Morgan. So here's a real one. This is real. That's what a real Morgan silver dollar sounds like. Now here's the fake. You hear the difference? Now you could start to hear the tones with your ears and figure it out, but the phone app, like, it tells you scientifically. So that's the real. Nice long. And again, here is the fake. You hear the difference? Like, you can tell there. And a big shout out to Horace. Thank you for gifting 1 International Stacker channel membership. And that went to Canna Stacker. Congratulations. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. And I'll be seeing you in the war room next time I do a member only live stream here on YouTube. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. All time high. All time high. All time high. 96.18. 96.18. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Let's check gold. Gold all time high. Everything's making an all time high. We're about to break 4,900 on gold. Shanghai's getting ready. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 96.18 on silver. Gold's about to break. Let's watch gold for a second here. Break 4,900. For the first time ever, I'm standing up for this one. I just stood up. I just stood up. I'm cracking my back in place. Here we go. Silver's about to break all-time high. Gold's about to break all-time high again. Shanghai Futures Exchanges is about to... Li Shi Zhe Guadana. Li Shi Zhe Guadana. They're all about to hit all-time highs at the same time. Have you ever seen charts like this before, ladies and gentlemen? Wow, and remote viewer saying silver is 96. I think you got that wrong, remote viewer. It's not 96.23 in Canada. Oh, was that US? Okay, that was US. Everyone's saying baby gator, guys. Okay, I'll make it
I'm
quick.
gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa! Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive.
It worked, guys. All-time high. It worked. All-time high. 96.19. 96.19. We're about to break 4,900 on gold. Wow, congratulations. James Moore picked up 2-ounce Scottsdale Mint rounds for $250 over spot yesterday. That's mega. We need 1 gram gold bars in the giveaway, says Jonathan. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Man, Shanghai is getting ready to push even higher. It's currently trading at 107.03. All-time high in Shanghai is 107.17. Gold is just flirting with 49 hundo. All-time high silver. All-time high silver. We're going for 96.50. We are going for 96.50. 96.26. 96.26. Who's got diamond claws? Who's got them? Look at that Karen behind him.
Diamond claws.
Wow. Here we go. Okay, we just went a little bit over. 90 all-time high again. Here we go. Here we go. Buckle up. Buckle up. Get your shoulder straps ready. We don't need them yet, but get your shoulder straps ready. Oh my, here we go. We're going. 96.50. We're going. We're going. Put on your shoulder straps. Put on your shoulder straps. Let's look at gold. Oh, gold just made all-time high. Gold just made for the first time ever. Gold just made for the first time ever. $4,900. Oh my gosh, guys. Smash the like, share the stream. We're going to the moon. Wow. 96.50 is the next target for silver. I don't even know what the next target is for gold. I have had no time to figure this out. We're gonna go 49.10. We're gonna go 49.10 there. Thank you for all the memberships. My Silver Journey, welcome to being a Crab Cadet. Thank you, Martin Reddy. Congratulations, upgrading to Shell Brigade. And we got 5 memberships gifted by My Silver Journey. Thank you so much, guys. You're all mega. Oh. Okay, we broke above it. We broke above it. $4,901 for gold. 4,901. 96.43. Let's check futures. 96.11. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in backwardation big time. We are in backwardation big time. This is not a drill. We're about to push even higher on gold and silver. Shanghai is getting ready for an all-new high. Li Shize Guadana coming soon there. Keep it up, International Stacker. Thanks for the support the other day. I got your back, Silver Journey. Good to see you, my friend. All-time high, all-time high. 96.48, guys. We're going for 96.50. This is not a drill. I hope you put on those shoulder straps. Wow. I'm going to do emergency silver ping, an emergency silver ping. Oh, that's the fake. That was the fake. I need the real one. Emergency silver ping. Here we go. There it is. That's the silver ping. Thank you to Daryl for joining as a channel member. Ladies and gentlemen, we're pushing crazy. We're pushing hard. All the new channel members, check out your custom channel member only emojis. And next time I do it, I'll be seeing you in the war room. Channel member only live stream on YouTube. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. All-time high gold. All-time high gold. 4,901.79 on gold. Ladies and gentlemen, we're shooting the moon. Oh! Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana. That's all-time high in Chinese, guys. You guys taught me it. Li Shize Guadana. That's 107.40 in Shanghai. Oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go, silver. $96.51. Guys, are we going for 100? Okay, gotta delete that one. Get out of there. Next target's 97 for silver. Next target for silver is 97. Next target for gold, all-time high gold. Oh my gosh, I can't keep up. I can't keep up. 49.05, $5 off our next target of 49.10 for gold. Oh my gosh, guys, smash that like button. Who's excited? Welcome to, who was I? Nora, thank you for joining the Crustacean Nation. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. All new high in Shanghai. Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana. That's all-time high in Chinese. He taught me. 107.54 in Shanghai. We're about to go higher on silver. Here we go, guys. Buckle up. We're about to go higher here. IS, remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. Remember to breathe, IS. Matt Ice, $2 super chat. Thank you so much, saying get ready to pop that bottle open. Let's go. Guys, are we gonna be popping champagne soon at 100? Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I've got a live feed coming in right now from the COMEX. I'm piping it in. Poor old Mortimer. Poor old Mortimer. I'm having to switch back and forth so quick between these charts. It's crazy. Horace, thank you for joining the Crustacean Nation. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Try them out. We're big time in backwardation. Big time in backwardation, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay, we're good there. We're good there. Gold to silver ratio is currently 50.81 troy ounces of silver for 1 troy ounce of gold. Guys, and I think we did it. Channel members, you know what to do. If I refresh this and it's 55,100, it's time for a big show. And thank you for the $2 or 249 euro. 249 in euros. Thank you so much, B, saying crab dance, please. Guys, should we do a crab dance? Instead of the big show, should we do a crab dance? What do you guys want? The big show or a crab dance? What do you want? Big show or the crab dance? What do you want? We're doing the crab dance. Okay, we're doing the crab dance. If you've never seen this, it's very rare on the channel. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, they said we were crazy. They said to stack this stuff. Paper currency. All throughout history, any paper currency not backed by physical silver or physical gold has always gone to zero. And as I plop down this big fat stack of Vietnam dong, I want to remind you it got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went from $1 million notes to $1 billion notes to $1 trillion notes. Let's go. Come on. Who's excited? Yes. Yes. They said we were crazy. They said we were lunatics. They said gold and silver were a thing of the past. And ladies and gentlemen, they surely are not. Who wants it all? Mega ga. Come on. Who's ready? Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a crab dance. Smash that like. I hope you enjoyed it. My music on the stream crashed. Everything is overheating. So crazy. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to have to do this here. I'm going to have to go here. I'm going to have to go to Slipstream. I'm going to have to do this manually. But ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time to be alive as silver and gold are making back-to-back all-time highs. And something tells me it is not stopping anytime soon here. Wow. Wow. For everyone whose first crab dance that was, what did you think? Did you enjoy it? Did you like it? Okay, I'm putting this, I'm putting the music back on, but tell me if it's too loud. Is it too loud? I'm playing it from a different source. So I need you to tell me if it's too loud. Woo! What a wild time to be alive, guys. What a wild time to be alive here. Buckle up. It's fine. Okay. Nope, it's good. Okay, perfect. All-time high silver or gold. All-time high gold. All-time high gold. Sorry. False. Fake news. All-time high gold. 4,905. And we did make an all-time high in silver. Let me bump it up a little bit here. 96.51. 96.51. Let's check. Shanghai, we're about to make another all-time high in Shanghai. Guys, our next target for gold, we're about to take it out. 4,910. Keith Peavy House says needs more cowbell. $2 super chat. Thank you so much for that. Oh my goodness. Keep smashing that like button, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all brought your spacesuits, because we may be going to the moon. And we're just 30 likes away from 1,100. Please keep smashing that like. Who's hyped? Who all-time high in Shanghai? Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana in Shanghai. That puts us at 107.58. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm fixing this. Hold up. Please work for me. There we go. There we go. I fixed the music. We're good. We're good. The servers are overheating. The COMEX is attacking me. The COMEX is attacking me. Poor Mortimer. Okay. We got a bit. No. We got a bit of a breather here on silver. Whew. Okay, we can delete these. Guys, what a wild stream. What a wild stream we're having here. 96.51 all-time high silver in COMEX. 4,905 all-time high on gold. We're 5,000 is right around the corner. I feel it in my bones. Okay, let's fix this. Okay. Come on. Work with me here. Okay. Shanghai's poised for another all-time high. Are we going to 110 on Shanghai? We may be going to a 110 on Shanghai, guys. We may be going to 110 on Shanghai. $4,905. And it looked like it bumped a little bit higher than that, actually. All-time high gold, all-time high gold, all-time high gold. $4,906.38. Silver's taking a little bit of a breather. Keep smashing that like button. Keep subscribing. I've got a big giveaway soon. Giving away over 20 ounces of silver soon, but you got to be subscribed, turn on the notifications. The video's coming out tomorrow on how you can enter. I gave away over 100 ounces last year on the channel. If you won silver or gold last year, put winner in big, bold, capitalized letters in chat. Let everyone see. Who wants to win my silver? Who wants to win my gold in the upcoming
Mega!
Who wants the copper? Who wants it? All-time high Shanghai. All-time shot high Shanghai. Li Shi Zhe Guadana. Li Shi Zhe Guadana. Wow. We're going to get a little bit of a breather here, maybe. We're at 50.9 troy ounces of silver to 1. All-time high in Shanghai. Li Shi Zhe Guadana. Li Shi Zhe Guadana, I think it is. That's Chinese, I think. $107.66 in Shanghai. Guys, we are just 96 subscribers away from the next big show. We did a crab dance, but we'll do a big show the next time. Oh, let me refresh this. See it refresh. See 55,100. Thank you so much, everybody. You're all mega. Listening to Man on the Silver Mountain. Nice, Peace Minus. Nice. Another all-time high in Shanghai. Another one. Wow. SIL 2026S. Channel member $2 super chat saying all-time highs and short squeeze hasn't begun. Yeah. Wait until the short squeeze really kicks in. We got a physical short squeeze going on, but we're about to have additional paper short squeeze go to the next level. And I did want to shout out real quick for my channel members, the Diamond Claws. Thank you so much for being Diamond Claw members. Thank you so much to all my channel members. I really appreciate you all so much. I really do. Who's got Diamond Claws? Who's got them?
Diamond claws.
Who's got them? And then we need to decide what our next channel member emoji on the channel is going to be. Let me see. So how it works is you have to get a certain amount of channel members to unlock the next emoji. So let's see how close we are to the next emoji. I'm going down. I'm looking. So to unlock the next emoji, we only need 19 more channel members. Wow. Thank you so much, everybody. 1,700 people on the stream of a century. We are only 80 likes away from 1,200. Keep smashing it. We just made the get out of there. We just made the all-time high on silver COMEX, $96.51. We also did it for gold, $4,906.38. We also did it on the Shanghai Futures Exchange at $107.66. Wow. We are at 96.54 on futures. We are out of backwardation. We are out of backwardation. Look at this. 96.54 is higher than the all-time high. Whoa. Buckle up for the next emoji. That's a good idea, Owen. That's definitely a top contender, I'd say. That's a pretty good one. The gap filled and ripped it to a new all-time high, says Crispy Bacon Jr. Sure did. Wow. All-time high Shanghai. Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana. 107.94. Guys, are we going to 110? Are we literally going to 110? Is that what we're doing here? Is that what we're doing here? This is the Shanghai market I'm looking at right now. Shanghai Futures Exchange converted. Woo! All-time high gold. All-time high gold. $4,908.56. We're about to hit our next target of $4,910. Oh my goodness. Becky, look at that bar. It looks like one of those traders bars. Jeez Louise. Okay. Okay. IS was right. After 95, we went right up. Yep. Like an elevator. Like an elevator. The bankers are fighting us right now. Guys, what should we do to get this candle to guarantee it to be green 90% of the time? What should we do right now? I gotta breathe. I gotta take a drink of this water. Whew. I think it's best. BGC, the baby gator call. We're gonna do it.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Guys, some scientists agree that 90% of the time after the baby gator is called, a red candle will turn green. And so far it's green. It's science. And again, I'm giving away a bunch of silver and gold soon. You got to be subscribed. Video's coming out tomorrow, so subscribe up, share the stream, like the stream. We're only 60 likes away from 1,200. I know we could do it. And it looks like the BGC, the baby gator call, is working because that green candle sure is heck turned red. We took out the next target. We took out the next target on gold, all new high, 4,911. Next target is 4,920. 4,920 is the next target. All-time high Shanghai. All-time high Shanghai. Li Shize Guadana. This is not a drill. This is really happening. You are not dreaming. None of you are dreaming right now. This is all really happening. Okay, somebody put in chat Korean for we're going to the moon. It's Dalogaja. 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 I hope that's really what that means. Did I just cuss in Korean? Did you trick me? Guys, we are at $96.34 on silver. Just made the all-new high of $96.51. 10 seconds left on this candle. Looks like the baby gator call worked. Looks like it worked. It worked. It's science. Okay, another all-time high imminent here in the Shanghai market. We may be going to $110 on Shanghai. It's in the cards. It's possible. It's doable. We can do it. Okay, let's go here. Guys, we are going crazy right now. POV, you're watching International Stacker live stream right now from Canada. This is madness. That is funny. Oh my goodness. Guys, are we going to hit a circuit breaker? Let's see. No, we're only up 3.5%. We're safe there for silver. Gold's up one. Okay, the first circuit breaker is at 7%. At 7%, if we go 7% or more within a 60-minute rolling block, they will shut down trading for 2 minutes. All-time high in Chinese is Li Shi Zhe Guadana. Oh, the Mando Dad saying it's Li Shi Zhen Gao. I mean, this is what I did. All-time high.
历史最高点，
Li Shi Zhe Guadian.
历史最高点，
Li Shi Zhe Guadian. That's not right. That's not it. Working hard to keep the candles green. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Brian. Channel member, Diamond Claws. Li Shi Say Gator Call. That's what Silver Desert says. Lee, she say Gator. All-time high. Here we go. Wow, 96.53. Let's get this purple out of there. Get him out of there. We don't even care about the futures right now. We keep making all-time highs. 96.55. Guys, our next target is 97. Pulling news, buying another 150 tons of gold reserve. Yes, Julian, we're tracking. We're tracking. Okay. Gold. Okay. We got Stacker Kim saying stuff in chat. I'm not sure what it means. It looks to be Korean. So I'll say Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida. Okay, we're about to make an all-new high in Shanghai. Somebody translate the Korean. Somebody translate it so we can communicate here. What a day to be alive, says Casa How. What a day. Guys, you all witnessed it. You all witnessed it. The baby gator calls worked multiple times on this stream. 1,700 people in this chat. Only 40 likes away from 1,200. I know we can do it. And guys, we are just 87 subscribers away from the next big show. Let's go here. Okay. Yeah, this is old news now. Isn't that crazy? It's old news now. It's all old news now. It's crazy. It's happening so quick. It's happening so quick. Silverbugs explaining to wealth managers how they outperform them by stacking shiny rocks. That's funny. That's funny. Get ready. All new high imminent. Chinese is actually Mandarin, I believe, like US is English. Oh. All-time high. All-time high. 96.58 on silver in the COMEX. All-time high gold. All-time high gold. $4,912. Our next target is $4,920 for gold. Our next target for silver is $97 an ounce. Shanghai is looking like it wants to go to 110. Whew. I need a sip of this water. Oh, we got some Arabic in chat. Let me try to read it. Aul, Tim, Hadi? Hello, Tim Hadi? Is that what it says? I used to be able to read Arabic. I took it in college. I still mess up some words though. Hello, Tim Hadi? Is that what you said? Okay. What a time to be alive, says Shotgun Susie. Guys, we need Daisy the camel to ride us to victory right now.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshesim here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the three pyramids, guys.
Oh, that's all-time high in Arabic. Okay, let me get this. Owl Tim Elutum Hadi. Elutum Hadi. All-time high in Arabic, evidently. Wow. Remote viewer, please give us an update on the silver price and gold price in Canada, please. Remote viewer, please give us an update for Canada. All-time high gold. All-time high gold. 4,915. Wow. What a wild time to be alive. All-time high silver. All-time high silver, $96.60. Okay, silver in Canada is $133.26 per ounce. That's crazy. Gold to silver ratio is 50.87 troy ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Keep breathing, everybody. Keep breathing. Drink water. I cannot have anyone falling out of the crustacean nation. We got to stay united on this run up. The big bankers are certainly going to strike back. Make sure you're hydrated. Be ready to crab your battle stations. Notice I don't say man your battle stations. I say crab your battle stations because we're all crabs. Be ready to fight. And you might have to fight dirty. No noodles for IS. I almost choked on a noodle in a live stream once. Silver is $133.20 in Canada per remote viewer. Thank you, remote viewer. Still in backwardation. We are in backwardation. Not a drill. Guys, we are only, what would that be? 83 subscribers away from the next big show. You want to see the big show? Subscribe. All new high silver, gold. All new high gold. 4,915 smackaroos. China, we're trading on the Shanghai Futures Exchange at 107.91 equivalent. We're only 4 cents off the all-time high in China. You guys witnessed the baby gator call. It's worked multiple times on this stream. I believe. I've never had to switch so much between charts in my life to like stay with like the all-time highs. Gold looks the strongest right now. So we're going to watch gold here for one moment. Okay, let's do a little bit of work here. Okay, we've got 49.50 marked. We've got 5K marked yellow. I'm also going to mark the 49.75. And I'm going to mark this 75. Oh, that is a 75. Okay. Okay. Wall Street's in shambles. That's what Ryan says. Ryan Prattley. What a wild day. Wow. Let me check something out here real quick. Let me check something. Emojis. We only need 19 more channel members to get the next channel member only emoji. We're close. I think we can hit that soon. What's it going to be? Buckle up, a seatbelt? Some sort of pirate for the pirate video? When I got attacked by pirates on the Nile River, you all were with me?
Okay, this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there? Oh, he's selling things.
It wasn't a pirate. It was an industrious salesman selling Egyptian textiles. Gold right now, $6,780.61 in Canada. Thank you, remote viewer. That's crazy. Wow. Brian, making it rain on the Goblin. Making it rain. Congratulations. Just gifted 5 memberships. Congratulations, Leroy Chambers, Rogue Theology, Amen, Nanette, Morse Code. You all got free channel memberships. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And the next time I do a live stream in the War Room, I'll be seeing you in there. Channel member only live streams in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Someone says they saw the Devil's Teabag formation. I don't see the Devil's Teabag yet. Let me see here. I don't see it. I don't see it. And B Woods is gonna light up some incense. Some Nam Champa. I thought it was Nog Champa. Isn't it Nog Champa? Yeah, Brian, thank you. You are mega. You're definitely mega. Big mega. Extremely big mega. Gold to silver ratio 50.9 to 1. Gold all new high. Silver all new high. Bankers have lost their minds. Let's go have a good day, says Nostra, House of Gold. Whew. I'm getting too excited. Congratulations, Epic Sode 1. Epic Sode 1. Thank you for joining the Crustacean Nation. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll be seeing you in the War Room the next time I do a channel member only live stream in the War Room. And again, a big shout out to all the Diamond Claw members of the Crustacean Nation. Appreciate y'all. Who's got Diamond Claws out there? Let me know.
Diamond claws.
Yes. Oh, we made an all new high in China. Li Shize Guadian. 108. Wow, 108.05 in China. We might be going for 110. We're doing a bit of consolidation here. Some crab walking on silver, some crab walking on gold. That's fine. That's good. That's healthy. I can take a guys, I got to refill my water. I'm going to be back in 30 seconds. Somebody time me. I'm about to raptor run across the house to get some water. I will be back in about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I'll be right back. I'm back. What's my time? 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 I'm back. What's my time? What was my time? Whew. 34 minutes. 49 seconds. Guys, I ran back. I got the water and I said I need some electrolytes, so I ran to get a Gatorade as well. That messed me up. That really messed me up. Let me crack open this Gatorade. Make sure you're hydrating. I need you all strong for the banker's attack. Woo! Is anyone in chat in love with Viola? Is anyone in chat in love with Viola? Let me know. Wow. Rick in chat is saying IS Canadian Mint is selling 1 ounce silver bars for $204.95. Bought 3 or 4 months ago for $69.95. That is crazy. You guys want it? You asked for it.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is certainly different. She's different. They don't make him anymore like Viola. They don't make him anymore like Viola. Okay, we're getting ready here to push again for new all-time highs. Our next target on gold is 4,920. Our next target here for silver is $97. Viola is Polish. She's Polish. Found her in the Germanium Mint. Wow, thank you so much, guys. We're only 78 likes away from 1,300. I know we can do it. 1,600 people on the stream. Again, make sure you're subscribed. I got a big giveaway coming. The entry video for the giveaway is coming out tomorrow. You have to be subscribed, so make sure you subscribe. Turn on those notifications. We got Some Japanese in chat. Let me see what it means. Give me a second. Is that Japanese? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Hold up. Google Translate. We're going to see here. Oh, it's Korean. I'm sorry. So in Korean, that's Korean. It says, I've subscribed. Thank you. Well, I happen to know a few Korean words, so I will say, annyeonghaseyo, like hello. And since you subscribed, I'll say thank you. I'll say 감사합니다. Yes, I've been to Korea. I've been to Seoul. I've been to Pusan. I've been to the DMZ. I had a good time there. I liked Beep and Bop. I liked Kimchi Chiga. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we just made an all-time high in silver on the COMEX, $96.60. Silver futures is $96.62. Just, it's above the all-time high. What a wild time to be alive. $49.11 right now for gold. We made an all-time high of $4,915.39. We're about to make an all-new high in Shanghai. We did it. Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana. 108.17 on the Shanghai market. All-time high in Spanish can be said record histórico. Record histórico. Record histórico. Let's go. Thank you, man. All-time high Shanghai. All-time high Shanghai. Li Shize Guadana. Li Shize Guadana. Someone says, here's how you say it in Japanese, and they give it to me in Japanese. I can't read Japanese. Spell it out for me phonetically. You gotta spell it out for me phonetically. 108.32. All-time high again in Shanghai. Li Shize Guadana. Wow. Let's check. Check. Guys, we're at 55,125 subscribers. Thank you so much. We're only 75 subscribers away from the next big show. 55,200, that will happen. Some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. We're about to push even higher here in Shanghai. Li Shize good. Oh, Li Shize Guardian. Li Shize Guardian. Is that it? Li Shize Guardian. Is that it? I think that's it. Wow, congratulations to M. Phillip in chat. They bought 100 ounces at $14 an ounce, holding for forever. That's awesome. Good job on that. We are crab walking on gold and silver. That's fine. Doing a bit of consolidation here. See if Shanghai's going to push higher here. We've been going for 2 hours and 19 minutes of constant screaming of all-time high. Did you guys ever know you could have so much fun watching candles turn green and red? Did you ever know you could? That's what we do here all the time. But it wasn't that long ago. I was at the Great Pyramids of Giza, and you guys told me to get on a camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshesim here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. Good girl. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
Guys, we literally travel the world on gold and silver adventures. The name's International Stacker, coming to you from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Over 1,800 videos around the world, gold and silver adventures. The last video was at the Fun Coin Show. The video before that in the Germanium Mint, where we met Viola. You got to watch that one. The one before that's how the price is decoupling. Videos all around the world. And you guys helped to direct the journey. Crustacean Nation. Let's go. All-time high. Shanghai, all-time high. Li Shize Guardian. Li Shize Guardian. I think that's it. Li Shi Zhe Guardian. I think that's it. When IS pronounces it wrong, he says historical pawn shop. Really? Am I saying historical pawn shop? That'd be so funny. People that actually speak Chinese come on here. It's like, why is this dude yelling historical pawn shop? What is going on? Man. Shanghai's on fire. Guys, is Shanghai going to 110 on stream? What do you guys think? It's just right here. We'll mark it. We'll turn it gold or yellow. Li Shi Zhe Guardian. I think that's it. Okay, so this is the Shanghai Futures Exchange chart. Here, this is Chinese yuan, and it's by kilogram. That's how they trade it there. I've got a special script down here that translates it into dollars per troy ounce. So 24,316 is 108.47 per troy ounce. Just go here. Make sure you follow me on X, previously known as Twitter. Intl-Stacker International would not fit. See what people are saying. $5,000 gold or $100 silver for... What do you guys think? Are we going to hit 5,000 gold or $100 silver first? Well, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Silver's 96.60 all-time high. Gold 49.15. My guess would be we're going to hit 5,000 gold first. What do you guys think? Shout out to Metals Monger, $5 super chat and channel member saying, Busong and DMZ, I had been to both. Are you ex-mill too, IS? No, I'm not. Just some man journeying around the world looking for crustaceans. I was a contractor. I spent about 10 years in the Middle East, mostly in Saudi Arabia. That's where I first started figuring out about gold and silver and stacking. As a matter of fact, if you go to my channel and you type in like Saudi Arabia, whoops, you can see videos of me in the markets of Saudi Arabia buying gold. If you put Dubai, which is in the United Arab Emirates, you can see the same thing there. If you put in Africa, you can see the same thing there. You can follow my journeys all around the world of the last 9 years right here on YouTube. If silver happens first, huge FOMO will happen. Yeah, I just don't think, like, I think $100 silver is imminent, don't get me wrong, but I could see gold breaking a 5,000 right now in this trading session easier than I could silver. Could silver do it? Yes, it could. Oh no, what did I just do? I just clicked S. But I think gold is going to be easier. Okay. Hold on, I got to fix it. There she blows. Got it. Okay, we're taking a little bit of a breather here, which is okay. That's good. Since you were in Saudi, did you get a chance to visit Bahrain? Aywa ya Walid, or ya Wahid. Aywa. أنا رحت في بحرين, أنا رحت في دبي, أنا رحت في لبنان. Where else did I go? I went all over the place. Yes, I went to Bahrain 3 or 4 times. Went to Dubai probably 20 times. Lebanon, Beirut, Jordan, Al Urdan. I've been there. Been to Israel. Been all over the place. Been to Turkey, Turkiya. Egypt, and the Rofi Misr. That's how you say Egypt in Arabic is Misr. Misr, and then Rofi Misr. That means I'll go to Egypt. Mashallah. Episodic 1 is from Lebanon. Shufi Mafi. The Lebanese greet saying Shufi Mafi. The other person responds back, Mafi Shi. What do you know about them apples? No, I'm not of Arab descent. I just took Arabic in college. All-time high just recently made of 96.60 on silver, 419.15.39 on gold. Shanghai's pushing even higher. Can we hit 110 on the Shanghai? I think that's within the realm of possibility here. Ever been to Singapore? No, I haven't. Little India there has lots of gold, says the Mando. If I ever come there, Mando Dad, we got to meet up. You got to get yourself a crab coin. For those who don't know, if you find me in the wild, and let me get all this dirty paper, fiat currency out of here. If you ever find me in the wild, and by the way, these bags are full of between 1 to 7 ounces of silver, a bunch of copper, some pocket pingers, other artifacts is going to be given away to you soon, so make sure you're subscribed. But if you ever catch me in the wild, you get one of these. You caught the king crab. Only 100 of this new version. One stacker on a journey to find silver. So if you catch me in the wild, you get yourself one of those. In terms of Asia, I've been to Korea. I've been to Japan. But I've never been to China, like Philippines, Southeast Asia. Never been there. Never been to India. I've been all over Europe, Spain, France, England, Ireland, Czech Republic, Poland, Netherlands. Almost got hit by a bunch of bikers. I'm bicyclists, not bikers. You've been to Viola's house. That's right. That's in Jelena Góra, Poland. We're also Germany. I've been to Germany. France. Did I say France? We've been there. I shot videos with you guys in France. Put your dong away, IS, says remove fear. I did. I put it away. Whew. Suck that, NVIDIA. Nearly $1 trillion ahead of NVIDIA. Who's still stacking? Guys, El Jezeri in chat is asking who is still stacking. I'm still stacking. If you're still stacking, put still stacking in chat. If you're holding, put holding. If you're selling, put selling. No judgment here. People got to sell for different reasons. Hey, if you can like get out of all your debt, that would be amazing. If you can change your life with gold and silver, that's amazing. But if you got diamond claws, I think it's going to be even more amazing down the road. But are you buying? Are you holding? Are you still stacking? Are you selling? Wow. Thank you, expert storyteller. That's 179 rupees, I believe. Try control tab to switch between tabs. Oh. Okay, here's the problem. Expert storyteller, I can't do that because I have multiple monitors. So I have a double stack monitor here and double on the side. So I just tried it. When I hit control tab, it brings up the multiple monitor. Do you guys want to see what my trading desk looks like here? I shouldn't say trading. I should say my live stream desk. Do you guys want to see what it looks like? All right, I'm going to try this without doxing myself. Let's try. Hold up. Here's the mic. And this is how I switch scenes, guys. Like, watch. You want to see Viola?
Yep. What's Viola. The robot's name?
You want to see Diamond Claws? I hit the Diamond Claws. You want to see the camera? Or the monitor? You want to see the war room? That's how I do all that. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Was that crazy? Crazy setup, huh? So yeah, when I hit control tab, it tries to select a different monitor. So unfortunately that doesn't work for me. Looks like we're taking a bit of breather on silver, but gold is building up again. Shanghai is building up again. Okay, we're going to watch here gold for a minute. Craziest thing I've ever seen. And you guys, I do have this pretty cool... I was on the wrong screen. That's my coin scope. These are some Roman silver denarius. This is a silver Japanese bar. Some gold Japanese bar. It's mixed with silver and gold is called electrum. So that's my coin scope. I was on the wrong screen. Sorry about that. No. This is the price in China before VAT. That's a common misconception. So this is the trading price, 108.39 right now. VAT not included. So do the math. If you're using Chrome, you can split view and have 2 tabs in one. I mean, I'm trying not to complicate. This is working for me. I'm not trying to complicate things. I start doing multiple tabs. I'm going to like dox myself or something. But thank you, Brian. I've learned a long time ago not to play around with stuff live because then you end up showing something embarrassing. All-time high gold. All-time high gold. Buckle up. We're going to 48,920 here. Buckle up. Looks like we're going to 49.20. Are we going to break 5K? I bet Mrs. IS would do the silver dance if we broke 5K. 69 more subscribers till the next big show, guys. Keep subscribing. Keep smashing that like button. We're only 26 likes away from 13 hundo. I know we can do it. Okay, another breakout above here is imminent. Was that cool, though? Did you guys like seeing the setup? It's a complicated one. But in order to do these, like, streams like I wanted to for y'all, I had to get a crazy setup. It's a work in progress. I'm still adding to it. Give me one in my house, IS. Now subscribed. Thanks, Pat, JMD. We might need to create a gold dance. I know we might need to. Thank you, Crusty Whitebread. Love the name. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation as a channel member. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. And remember, there we go. I do custom channel member only live streams in the war room. And what happens in the war room stays in the war room. You guys nearly saw my challenge coin collection there. That was almost a security leak. Almost a security leak there. Through my career, I've earned many challenge coins around the world from many agencies. Okay, here. I can't show him. It's possible it could leak my identity. Can't show him. Thank you, Mike's Alive. Oh, guys, Mike's Alive. Let me open him up. He has this channel where he travels around. It's a newish channel. He travels around on his boat. And he was on the stream the other day. And we got him over 100 subscribers, up to 167. I think it was at like 18 or 28 or something. So thank you to everyone who subscribed to Mike's Alive. Pretty cool what he's doing here. If you like sailing and going around, he's literally talking to us right now from his boat. He's literally on his boat watching the live stream. That's pretty mega if you ask me. Okay, things are calming down a little bit, but it could turn on a dime here any second. We can't let our guard down here, guys. We can't let our guard down here, but we made an all-time high in gold, 4,915.79. All-time high in silver, 96.60. All-time high, $108.52 in Shanghai. Woo! 2 hours and 36 minutes we've been going, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm feeling it. Mike is a boat captain, that's for sure. Takes a captain to be out there. Maybe Mike's is alive, should be in charge of our crustacean navy, guys. He can transport crustaceans wherever we need them. Maybe Mike's alive can be in charge of our navy. You know what? Brian McQuillan, channel member, Diamond Claws, it is definitely time for a baby gator.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa! Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
That was a massive lizard. Nearly gave me a nub. Let's see if it works here. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. You team green, team red. Put it in chat. Green or red. Remember, we did do a baby gator, and some scientists say 90% of the time it turns a red to green. It's science. I think it will collapse, says the last ha-ho. That's because you don't understand the what's going on here. If you think it's going to collapse, you obviously don't understand what's going on here. And I'm not trying to be a jerk. I'm going to break it down for you really quick. I'm going to give you the 30-second elevator pitch on why this is different from 1980 and 2011. Both of those times, we were in silver production surpluses. We created and mined more silver than we consumed. We've been in a 5-year plus silver deficit, hundreds of millions of ounces. We produce about 835 million ounces a year. We consume more than 1.2 billion a year. It's because it's the most reflective metal. It's the most conductive in terms of electricity. It has the best thermo properties. Silver, its demand is increasing. It is only going to continue as we go to green tech, as we do solar panels, as we do EVs, as we do data centers. It's only increasing. Peak mining was in 2016. Every year since then, it's dropped 1 to 3%. The only way to fix this deficit is new mines, and those take anywhere from 10 to 15 years from exploration to making of the silver. And that is why I do not believe it's collapsing anytime soon. So I hope that helps you. Guys, the baby gator call might be working here. It's definitely almost flipped it. Red. That is the first time in modern history we've seen the baby gator call fail. It's a sad, sad day.
Run.
But the COMEX is still upset, so we're actually winning. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Okay, we're going to consolidate here, move sideways. Guys, I got to finish editing the mega giveaway video to give away to y'all, okay? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to finish this mega. It looks like we got a bit of a breather here. So I got to use this time wisely. I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to go finish editing this video so you guys can enter and win over 20 ounces of silver,
Mega!
some gold and some copper in the mega giveaway. You got to be subscribed, so make sure you're subscribed. Please smash the like button on your way out. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I most likely will be live again later today because something tells me we're not quite done here. Channel members, help me out. CYO TNO stands for catch you on the next one. Thank you everybody. And a thank you for the super chat to Joina saying, let's go. What's going to happen? I don't know, but something tells me I might be live again soon.
One stacker on a journey
To find
silver.
International Stacker.